Next question is regarding gold monetization scheme. It's a very important scheme, and already in one of the Yojana, recent Yojana, I have covered in detail regarding gold monetization scheme. And the finance minister also have announced that it will be coming with modifying this gold monetization scheme. So even though it was introduced in 2015, the recent budget also mentioned about this gold monetization scheme. So you should have an idea about this gold monetization scheme. Before answering this question, we will have an idea what is this gold monetization scheme is all about. Now, gold monetization scheme is like a gold savings deposit. Okay, so if you have gold, presently you have, you don't earn anything from gold. If you have gold in your home, you don't earn anything except the appreciation, the gold value appreciation. Other than the appreciation of gold, you don't earn any interest on the gold you are having. So, plus, and also you have the problem of like security related issue of carrying gold in your home. So, if you are using locker, you have to pay some charges for it. So, many problems of handling as well as security as well as no interest on your gold have made the government, so as a customer, to induce them to reduce the import bill of gold. So the government want to reduce the import bill of gold to address the current account deficit problem, as well as to induce the customer who are not benefiting by keeping gold at their home, to attract them. This scheme was introduced along with sovereign gold bond scheme. But regarding this gold monetization scheme, it is like that if the customer give the gold to the designated bank, bank will take that gold and melt it and give it to some refiner. But why after melting and checking your quality, and after knowing how much gold, grams of gold is there, which have been deposited. So you are depositing your gold with the bank. So if you deposit the gold with your bank, the bank will give you a regular interest on the gold, not on the value of the gold at that time. Rather, the interest will be on the weight of the gold. For example, if 100 gram you have deposited, and if the bank is offering 1% of interest, after 1 year you will get back 100 gram of gold plus 1 gram, 1% which is interest. So you will get 101 gram. So the interest is on the gold itself, on the gold weight itself. So it's something like a gold savings deposit where you will get interest on gold. So unlike the gold which you keep at home, if you keep it with the bank, you will earn interest for the gold you are having. So that's the specialty of this gold monetization scheme. So it will earn regular interest on your gold and saving your carrying cost. If you keep at home, you have many carrying cost with there, especially in keeping with locker, etc. So it is a gold savings account which will earn interest for the gold. So savings account which will earn interest for the gold that you deposit in it. So your gold can be deposited in any form, like you can deposit in the form of jewelry, coins, if you have jewelry, if you have coins or bar, anything can be deposited under the gold monetization scheme. And the gold will be, see, this is a very, very important point. The interest is based on gold weight. I told you the example, okay, the interest is based on gold weight. And so also you will have another thing like what normally happen, that if the gold value appreciate, that benefit also will be accrued to you, okay. So the earned interest on this scheme is on the gold weight. And after maturity, you have an option. Either you will get the gold in, means you can either redeem it in gold or in Indian rupee, okay, as you desire. So you can redeem the gold either in gold or in Indian rupee. If it is in gold, you will get 995 fineness of gold, you will get it, or the rupee equivalent at that time. What is the gold value at that time? That will be, you can get it in Indian rupee also. Now there is a minimum limit is that if you want to invest under gold monetization scheme, the minimum limit is 30 gram, and there is no limit for maximum deposit, okay. How much gold you want, you can deposit. But the minimum limit is 30, no maximum limit. I told you the government, the aim of the scheme is to attract more gold from the household as well as in the temples to the bank and monetize, means and refine it and give it to the refiner, okay, to make jewelry, so that the refiner or the gold jewelers will not import gold from outside the country and thereby reducing the current account deficit. By reducing the gold bill, import bill, it will help the government to reduce the current account deficit. So that's the reason why there is no limit have been set for the gold monetization top, but for minimum limit is, so for no maximum limit, but no minimum limit is 30 gram. Now, gold savings account can be opened in any designated bank, and the denomination will be in the terms of grams of gold, and there are 3 tenure is there under this scheme, 3 tenure, short term, medium term and long term. The short term time period is 1 to 3 year, medium term the term period is 5 to 7 year, and long term is 12 to 15 years. So 3 category, short term, medium term and long term, you can deposit your gold. Now earlier, only for the short term period only the government in 2015 when it was introduced, only for the short term period only this option of either redeem in gold or Indian rupee was there. For medium term and long term, it was you can redeem only in rupee. So this was not encouraging the temples, which many temples who are having gold to accept this scheme. So in order to encourage temples which have huge gold with them to attract to this scheme, now for the medium term as well as in long term, in April 2016, RBI have made amendment so that even in medium term and long term, you have the option to redeem your deposit in gold itself. So that's regarding the gold monetization scheme. Now we'll try to solve that particular question. Which of the following is not correct regarding the gold monetization scheme? Choice A. So question is regarding not correct. Okay, so we have to find the wrong statement. Under the scheme, gold in any physical form, that is jewelry, coins or bars, can be deposited. That's a correct statement. We have to find the not correct statement. Maximum amount of gold can be deposited is 500 gram. That is the wrong statement. So under the gold monetization scheme, there is no maximum limit is there. So B is the wrong statement and D is your answer. But again, ABCD question, you have to read choice D and choice D to confirm your answer. Earning under the deposit are exempted from capital gains tax and income tax. A very important point to note down. Okay. So the earnings, you gain, okay, you will get interest, and if your gold value appreciate, you are having capital gain. So both the capital gain as well as the income, see the income you earn from the interest are exempted, so tax exempted. So both earning under the this scheme, that is capital gain earning as well as the income you earned through interest are exempted under the scheme. So that's a correct statement. So but they are asking for not correct. RBI now allows the redeeming of gold under the scheme when the deposit is for the medium or long term. So you can redeem now, even if for medium term and long term, you can redeem in gold. So that's also a correct statement. So here the wrong statement is choice B. There is no maximum limit, but it is given as maximum limit is 500 grams. So your answer comes here as not correct question. So answer is B, Bombay.